Well, we're in the middle of Florence, Arizona. It's probably 100, 101 out here maybe. Slight breeze. We have a 2005 Honda Accord that's been left behind, and we're going to see if we can get it out of here and fix it up. So let's zoom in and see what we got to work with today. Let's go. All right, here's what we are dealing with today. 2005 Accord two-door. And spare tire. A little bit of sun-baked. Definitely Arizona redneck headlight. Uh-oh. What if this thing has glass? Oh, there it is. That should be fun. Put a blanket in here. Looks like tail lamp is a little messed up. Has an old plate just a little while ago. Well, I say we pop the hood and see what we have underneath. All right, let's see what we got. Well, looks like a 2.4 liter inline four, missing a battery. Looks like we have a power steering pump going bad. Is there any juice in there? Radiator fluid looks like it's empty. Probably should check the oil real quick. Let's grab a rag and see. All right, let's check oil. And let's pull it back out here. And she is low, hardly any oil. Perfect. All right, well, add that to the list. Battery, oil, some water, because we're in Arizona. What else are we gonna need? Tires, probably grab the air tank. And yeah, so let's go get that. One battery, and looks like positive on this side, negative on this side. Took the battery out of the Porsche. Hopefully that'll work. All right, we'll tighten those down. Next, let's add some oil. Oh, dear Lord, who put this on? Oh, sheesh. Holy fuck shit. There it is. My Lord. All right, so let's get some oil in this thing. All right, that's done. Toss that away. Clean that off a little better. Okay. All right, next let's get some water in this thing. All right, so that's done. Now, let's go see if she'll start up. Woo-wee. All right. We got key on. Looks like, I know it's kind of hard to see, but looks like we're just about out of fuel. It's going to give it a start here. Do I hear a fuel pump? Oh. She turned over. Let's see here. Check our door. See about this window. Oh, yep. That's a bad window regulator. Does this one work? That one works. We can at least get some cold air. into us. Let's see here, down here. Yep. Let's pull this, push for fuel. Let's go put some gas in this and see what we can do. Let's see here. All right. Let's give her some go-go juice here. There we go. Get about a gallon. That should get us back home into a gas station. All right. Tie this back up. Okay, you guys tell me if we have brake lights. Anything? Okay, no brake lights. Well, that's why this is good. Well, that probably is a good reason why this is here. So we can do hand signals. See if the AC works. Well, it's blowing, but it ain't cold. Nice. And check engine lights on. Imagine that. Well, I think we should try to drive it home. See if it'll make it. Temp gauge still says the same. Fuel has a little bit more fuel in it. I say it's worth a shot. Let's see if we can get it home. Probably should make sure that we have brake. So foot on the brake, reverse. Oh, it's moving. Good. Drive. So that works. Nice. Let's see if you can make it home. All right, we have pulled into our neighborhood. The temperature is a little too hot for me. I'm not liking that. The brakes are, you gotta really push on them. Other than that, the transmission, no slippage. 245,000 miles I can now see on this. And yeah, no transmission, but the suspension, oh my gosh, this thing is completely everywhere. I'll be home here in a little bit and we'll jump out and we'll take a look and see what all we're going to need to do to get this car back up and running safely on the road. All right, we have made it home. I just kind of want to go over and look and see all that we're going to have to do. It looks like we're going to need a new bumper cover, and we might be able to make that work. That headlight looks decent. This headlight is going to need replacing on that. Yeah, that bumper cover there. We're gonna need to get at least one new rim on that one. That's the donut. Definitely gonna need a window regulator for in here. We're gonna need to get AC components. Hopefully it just needs a recharge. We don't have to do too much more. Trying to tread on this tire. Let's see. I can probably get away with that one for a little bit. Back here is cracked. Probably need one of those. Definitely oxidization. Probably should see if we can't do some kind of clear coat repair work. Another donut, 2 donuts. Definitely gonna have to need some new wheels for this thing. All right, guys, so we've got this. Oh, son of a, it's hot in Phoenix. You can't touch anything in Phoenix, Arizona in the summertime. It will burn you to death. So with that, guys, we got home. I'm gone through it. I think we need 3 things right away. First things first, we need a new window regulator so we can close this up. Number 2, we need to see about the AC system. Hopefully it just needs a recharge, not a bunch of hardware components. Keep our fingers crossed on that. And number 3, I think we need some decent wheels around this thing so they're all 4 riding completely normal. So with those 3 things, my goodness. As you can see, we have a ton of projects to put on this car, to do this car, to get it roadworthy once more. If you are a Honda fan or want to see more on this, please please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share this out with your other Honda friends. I don't know much about Hondas. I know Porsches and I know Pontiacs. So if you guys have suggestions or ideas on how to get this car back up and running, leave me a comment down below. And let me know if there's more content you want to see on this Honda, because we're going to have to do this no matter what. And I'd like to get your feedback and input on as we roll forward on getting this car back on the road. So until next week, guys, be humble, stay safe, and I'll see you with another Honda video next week.